So if you are wondering how to use Turkish Airlines free Wi-Fi, I have a quick video for you. So as soon as you are in the flight, go to Wi-Fi and select the network named TK Wi-Fi. And as soon as you try to connect, it will open the captive portal page of the Wi-Fi and it will look like this. So press continue and it will take you to Chrome browser. And here we have a page with tkwifi.network. As soon as it loads, it will say welcome on board. And here you have three options like flight details, where you have to log in with your seat number, surname, and then you have another two options where you can log in either with your Miles and Smiles membership or with the mobile app. If you don't have the Miles and Smiles account, you won't be able to use free internet. So here I am writing my seat number and I wrote my name, and then I will press login. And here I have to select I understand, that I have to switch on the low data mode. So press I understand. And then here you can see that I have unlimited messaging. So if you are a Miles and Smiles member, you will get unlimited messaging. And then it depends on your flight class. If you are in business, you will get unlimited internet. But here we can purchase a package as well. So if I scroll down again, I have the option to purchase a package. And here we have either the first option, which is unlimited internet, or we have the 250 megabytes internet, and the prices are listed here. So that's how you can use Wi-Fi in Turkish Airlines flight. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, share and subscribe.